I am here today to give you a really quick look at a new style from Chiquel in their Riah collection, which is their house brand. Unique styles and colors that you can only find at Chiquel. This is Jodi. Unfortunately, the color that I have on my head is already discontinued, but we can learn about this style so you can see if Riah Jodi is for you. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook, and I am here on behalf of Chiquel to bring you this review of Jodi. I'm really disappointed that the color has been discontinued because I have a feeling some of you would really love this color, but the style is still out there, and so let's talk all about this style. But first, Chiquel is an online retailer that carries all the major name brands. They have some physical wig shops in Canada as well as the US, and an online store in the UK, Canada, and the US. So you can buy from them from virtually anywhere. They have live sales every Tuesday, so you should check them out on Tuesdays. They have open box clearance section, huge discounts. They do giveaways during their lives, and I have a coupon code in the description box below that will save you money on Jodi or any other wig that they carry. Let's take a look at her from all sides. All right. So Jodi is a really cute, low density, no permatease bob style with a bang. My bang has some cold setting. It is not laying quite right. It wants to kind of go funny one direction or the other, as you can see. That is so common. It's unfortunate in the sense that you may not get the best look at Jodi because her bangs are a little wonky, but I have many videos showing you how to work with different things on wigs that aren't always perfect out of the box. And I do have a video where I talk about cold setting, sometimes also known as cold crimping. Basically, it's just that the hair was maybe put in the box in a funny manner, or whoever hand tied all of the fibers in on this lace, they got the knots a little cockeyed, and so therefore you just need to take a little heat to it in order to correct that. This is a heat-friendly style, so it would be really easy to fix. Other than that though, she is really darling. This is that throw and go bob style that looks so natural. If you struggle with wigs being too much, this one could be a great one for you because it does not have any permatease and it is low density and really flat to the head. Now this one does have a lace front, so if you don't want to wear it with a full bang, you don't have to. And you could take heat to this and, you know, get a little lift in that bang and kind of sweep it to the side, you know, work with this side here, which is really the side that's giving me the trouble. And then you don't have to worry about wearing it with a bang. A hair dryer is a great tool for doing that, and you can get a lot of lift with a hair dryer. This is inside the cap. We have a full mono top, extended lace, soft ear tabs with bendable stays. The rest inside is open wefted. We do have some silicone at the nape, and the nape is extended. That silicone can be really handy in keeping a wig kind of in place, especially if you struggle with your wig sliding up in the back. That can grip your the skin at the nape of your neck, and it can really make a huge difference. So if you haven't tried a wig with silicone, I highly recommend, because I think it's a great option. And I mean, she really is just a throw and go piece. You don't really have to do much at all to this one and walk out the door, and it looks so incredibly natural. This cut is one of those classic bob cuts. Natural movement. She feels really natural on the head. So aside from what's happening to my piece, which very likely would not be an issue on yours, I think she is going to be super popular, and a lot of people are going to love this style. And you can change the part on this one if you would like to, so you can part her anywhere you want on the top. Mine came with sort of an off-center part over to the right, actually going over to the left, but you can change that. I actually have a video showing how to use a hot comb to change the part on a wig, but you could use a hot airbrush, a comb and a hair dryer. You just will likely need to take a little heat to it to get it to settle in that new part, but it is flexible in that way. So I think this is the wig. This is the wig for those of you who like no muss, no fuss. You just want to be able to throw a wig on your head. You don't want to have to do a whole lot to it. You want it to look really natural, and you don't want anybody to ask you where you get your hair done. This is that kind of wig, truly. And she does come in other colors. So even though this color, which is called Velvet Mocha Rooted, has been discontinued, she does come in a ton of other colors. As far as fit, this is fitting very true to average. I have cinched this one in a lot, and I am getting a lot of extra cap up here, as you can see. I have a pretty average petite to petite head. All of my measurements are in the description box. You can be quite a bit bigger than me everywhere, and this one is going to fit you. So in general, she's awesome. I highly recommend that you check her out. Go to the Chiquel website. I've got a coupon code that will save you money, and throw her on your head and walk out the door. I'm really thrilled to be able to show you all these different styles, especially their house brand, which is fun to show new styles that nobody else carries. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll see you in my next video.
Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.